say your thing, Drake.
Hey guys, Drake Hurd here, and today we're trying to catch a bird
So,
to put it back in its nest.
is this going to be like? Is this gonna be another video, or just? Is it just gonna like overwrite the first one?
See, it feels like.
Oh. So, okay, so that bird.
It feels like these guys will be fine back up here, doesn't it?
Yeah, but are they already dropped in the nest?
It cloned itself, and there's another
I don't know
one.
anything about doves.
Another one came, so now we have
We put them in this
two
hat.
birds.
See, that one's running away, but this one isn't.
That one,
Hat. They said the mothers will feed them on the ground, but I didn't see any mothers.
this one's just
Yeah,
chilling.
this one is.
All right, let's start with the
This
chili
one's
one.
The other one can fly.
And I'll stick. Well, like I say, they online says that the mothers will come and feed them. But as soon as they can regulate their own temperature, the moms let them flutter out of the nest onto the ground and expect them to survive. But I think the rain knocked them out. So I've already stuck the hat in the tree. And now I'm going to stick the birds in the hat.
Oh, the
And then
bird's
we'll
letting you
monitor
pet it.
The bird
Dad,
number one.
Cute moment going
Dad,
on.
Mom, I'm petting a bird.
Bird in a hat. You got it?
Yeah, I'm petting it.
Well, catch it with both gloves, please, and then put it in the box.
With both gloves.
You're failed.
You don't just put your hand like.
I don't know how to let Steve get it.
Why did the boy to catch it? Use his skills as a predator, an apex predator. No, too late. You lost your apex predator skills.
It's hard, I know. I wouldn't have been able to.
Apex predator skills. There.
In the
Now we're
hat.
gonna put him, bird number 2, in the nest.
I hope they make it.
There.
Bird number
find
2 's
out.
in
He
the nest.
flutters
Do you
out,
wanna-
And you know that he's a dumbass.